All right, guys, we're doing our first eBay break of the night, and this is our last box that we've got of Hit Parade Series 2 baseball cards. So each box has got 13 cards altogether. 10 of them are hits, and then you've got a chance for case autos. That could be Mike Trout. It could be Bryce Harper, Chris Bryant. You've got jersey cards of Babe Ruth. There's a bunch of hits that you can find in here. So let's see if we can pull one of these out of the last box. So Alan M's got the Diamondbacks, the Rockies, the Twins, the Mets, the Pirates, and the Padres. Anthony's got the Dodgers. Brandon W. with the Astros. Brian B's got the Angels. George with the Braves. Grant's got the Cubs. Gina, you've got the White Sox and the Rays. Jeff H. with the Red Sox, Reds, Indians, Royals, Phillies, Cardinals, Nationals, Marlins, and Brewers. Mark R. with the A's. Mike D. with the Tigers. Richard, you've got the Yankees, the Giants, the Mariners, and the Rangers. And then Stephen B., where you at, man? You've got the Orioles and the Blue Jays. Stephen, not in our break room tonight. What's up with that? Oh, we got a case hit down in here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there's Steven. Sorry, buddy. You were just quiet. All right, let's put these right here, and we'll finish up with that case hit and see what we got. All right, first up, we got Cleet Thomas going to the Tigers, whoever that is. Going so fast, you hardly had to sell him, man. All right, next up we got a Carlos Quentin going to the Diamondbacks. That's a rookie auto. He had a couple pretty decent years. And I think they have Babe Ruth printing plates in this. Wouldn't be a bad hit. All right, we got a Nick Blackburn for the Twins. Hey guys, if you are just joining us or you missed earlier, if you're either in the 2017 Archives Baseball, that one got delayed until Tuesday. So we'll be breaking that one on Tuesday night. We got SP Chirography, Jarrett Wright for the Indians. And then the 2018 Topps Clearly Authentic, Topps pushed the release date back on that. So it's supposed to come in on Wednesday, and then I think on Monday they pushed it back. So that's August 8th is the date on that. So next up we got Wade Davis for Tampa Bay. Man, I hope I got the Warriors big box after missing out on the Jordan. All right, next up we got a booklet here. Passport to the Majors. Never seen anything like this before. It's a Juan Gonzalez. Check that out. It's from Stadium Club. Authentic jersey piece, number to 1200. 2001. It's a cool looking card. And that's the Indians. Yeah, that is true. He sent me a couple other pictures of some of the other items in there, so there's some good stuff in there. Definitely some big names. All right, another Indians hit. We got Ryan Garco, jersey piece. All right, we got a Carl Crawford, jersey piece for Tampa Bay. Keep going, man. We'll get this thing sold up. All right, next up, we got a Jake Barrett, USA baseball team jersey. You know, baseball team listed. I'll have to look him up. That'll be length of service if he had any major league service time. Let me look him up. All right, currently in the majors playing for Tampa Bay, or excuse me, Arizona. So that's going to be a Diamondbacks. All right, next up, we got an Adrian Beltre, future Hall of Famer. Looks like he's in a Red Sox jersey. It is going to be a Red Sox hit. I didn't even know he played for the Red Sox. So Boston on that one. All right, it looks like we got some inserts here. We got Daniel Murphy, number 99 for the Mets. We got Kendry Flores, Bowman first, going to the Giants. And then we got a Hanley Ramirez, number 250 for the Marlins. All right, let's see what this case hit is. All right, we got a signature swatch. Oh, dude. This is going to be a random. We got Ted. I don't know if I can get you to see this without the glare. We got Ted Williams there, Joe DiMaggio, Derek Jeter, Ken Griffey, number 25. Oh, dude, there's more on the back. So you got Cal Ripken, you got Yastrzemski, Johnny Bench, and Frank Robinson. All right, so let me pull this out. I'm going to see all the teams listed here. This is number 25, 12 out of 25. It's a nice one. All right, there's the teams listed. So you got 2 for Boston. You got the Yankees twice, Seattle, the Orioles twice, and Cincinnati. So let me walk you through this just so everybody's clear. Ted Williams for the Red Sox, DiMaggio for the Yankees, Jeter for the Yankees, Griffey for the Mariners, even though there's a red pinstripe and he's in a Cincinnati jersey. But that's going to be the Mariners. Then Ripken for Baltimore, Yastrzemski for the Red Sox, Johnny Bench for the Reds, and then Frank Robinson for the Orioles. That's awesome. All right, so let's put it, we'll do a random, and we'll list it as it's listed on the card. So hang tight just 1 second. All right, here we go. So we got Red Sox, Yankees, Yankees, Mariners, Orioles, Red Sox, Reds, and Orioles. So as it's listed on the card, so we'll randomize this 5 times. The team at the top is going to get it. So here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 going to the Reds. Going to the Reds on that. Who's got Cincinnati? Jeff H. Jeff, congratulations on that, man. Nice hit for you. We will get this back in the case. And we'll get all those cards mailed out. It's a good way to end Hit Parade baseball cards. So we'll get all those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And appreciate you joining us for this last break.